So I just spoke about the size of the pan to cook it, but the very important thing too is that you're able to put a plate on top of it to turn around the omelet when it's done. So see, this one fits perfectly, just a little bit over, because the flipping part is really something to be mastered. So when you're gonna flip it, you have to flip it on somewhere where if an accident happens, you can still pick up the omelet. The oil has to be warm. We got the mix, as you can see, and so it's pretty solid. And now, maybe it wasn't warm enough. Oh well, should do the trick. Now we're gonna do. Oops, sorry, everything fell. So now we're gonna start cooking it again. So we got it on high. We'll poke some holes in the omelet. So it cooks thoroughly. A smaller and deeper pan would have been better, I think, but this should do the trick. Go around the omelet. So it cooks well. It has to be solid enough so that we can flip it and it doesn't just come apart, that being the idea. Well, let's cook it well. Keep poking some holes in there. Up. A little bit more. So as we shake the pan, we can see how solid it is and see where it's softer. So now it should be about right to turn it around, and that's where we really have nearly flipping side. So we got to push our hand firmly on the plate. We hold well the handle of the pan, and together we just lift it, go around, and that's it. Now what we're going to do is we're going to add some additional oil. Not too much, we're in the final phase. So now we'll just heat the oil again, well heated. Up. Now we're going to tuck it around, and then it depends how you like it. So either well cooked or a little baveuse like they say in French, and of course you can eat it either warm or cold. It stays well for the following day. First you have to let it cool down on the same plate that you used to turn around, and then you can put it in the fridge, rub it with foil, but first you have to let it cool outside. So that should be about it. Look, light off, up, put the plate again on it, and then we'll push firmly the hand here, the handle, and up. Now it's always easier, since of course it's already done. And that's our little omelet, or tortilla española.